Let's connect EveryMatrix to wecantrack so your conversions track automatically. From the left menu, open Data Sources, then Affiliate Networks. Search for EveryMatrix in the list. Open it, then click Create Account. Give your account a name you will recognize later. EveryMatrix connects with a postback URL. A postback is a server-to-server message that tells wecantrack the moment a conversion happens. Click Create Postback URL, and wecantrack generates your unique postback URL. EveryMatrix sets up postbacks on their side, so copy it and send it to your EveryMatrix account manager to finish. Back in wecantrack, your EveryMatrix account is now connected and ready to track conversions. That's it, no developer needed. Check our other integration guides.